Did you know that you could look at the North Star every single night and it's going to be in the same spot? Doesn't move. It's in a fixed position in the center of the sky. And the North Star is proof, in my opinion, that we do not live on an endless spinning ball. If the Earth was endlessly spinning at the speeds and the velocities that we are told it is endlessly spinning at, in my opinion, there's no way we would ever see the star in the same exact location every single night, over and over, forever. It's impossible. What are the odds? The odds, if we were spinning 1,000 miles an hour at the equator, going 66,700 miles an hour around the sun, chasing the sun through the galaxy, 500,000+ miles an hour, that we could see the same exact star, the North Star, Polaris, in the same exact position every night. Okay, there used to be a megalithic site where there were these giant stones. This was called, what was this called? This one was, it's not Stonehenge, that's a whole different thing. This was the Georgia Guidestones in Georgia. Now, there was a hole in a rock there, a giant stone, little tiny hole that you could look through this hole every night and see Polaris, the North Star. Now, again, in my opinion, would this be possible if we were endlessly spinning and spiraling through a galaxy? No, I don't think we would. And as a matter of fact, I don't think we would be seeing the same stars over and over again, which is exactly what's going on. We see the same stars circling around us. The ancient people, thousands of years ago, also saw these same stars. And how do I know this? Because they've drawn them. They drew them all over cave walls, inside temple walls, all over the place. Okay, there's a temple called the Temple of Esna, and the zodiac signs are all over the temple. Now, a lot of people don't even realize that the zodiac signs, it's not just astrology, it's not just for your horoscope, and it's not just for predictions. I don't even use it that way at all. What the zodiac signs are stars in the sky. They're constellations. The stars in the sky form pictures. Those pictures are constellations. Those constellations have been circling around us for thousands and thousands of years, if not forever, since the beginning of the world, the creation of everything. So when you begin to learn that, and you really, you can go outside and point to stars. If you can go outside and point to 10, 20 stars, know where they're going to be, know where your planets are. I can go outside every night and tell you where Venus is, where Jupiter is, where Saturn is, where, at least 20 stars, Arcturus and Deneb and all of these stars, okay? If you can do that, then in my opinion, there's no way you're going to believe we're endlessly spinning through a galaxy. So the more you know, the more you free your mind, because I don't have to believe things. I can know them. So it's interesting, and that's what I want people to do. When people say, oh, I believe in this, I believe in that. Why? Why are you believing in anything? Don't believe in something because someone told you to. I don't believe in anything until I can prove it to myself. And as far as I'm concerned, proving that the Earth is a globe is way harder than proving that it's flat. Okay? Proving that we evolved from monkeys, because we share DNA with monkeys? We share DNA with bananas. Did I evolve out of a banana? No, I don't think I did. So, understanding certain things will set your mind on a track, and that track is going to be more beneficial to you than living in a science fiction make-believe world that doesn't exist, which is what we've all been placed in. So until you start to realize this, I don't know what to say. You got to do more research and start to learn. You got to start to study history and ancient history and start to understand these things. The ancient people knew more about our Earth than we do. That's sad. We need to start learning, start listening to the other side of the story, start hearing it from all angles, seeing it from all angles. Okay? Now, that's my opinion. You can find my research and my work at my website. I'm a writer. I sell books. They're cheap. $5 for a digital book that will teach you more than you could ever imagine. So I basically, I'm giving this stuff away. I can't even call $5 anything because it's virtually free. You can't get anything for $5 nowadays. What are you going to buy for $5? Certainly, you're never going to get the information that's in this book from anyone else other than me for that cheap. I can tell you that much. Because nobody on here is giving away good information like that. It's all propaganda and nonsense. It's unfortunate. I love you all, and I really want people to start to open up their mind and start to free themselves. That's what I really hope happens. That's my goal, my plan, my dream. I love you all. Entertainment, satire, comedy, anything but the truth. I love you all.